Do. Ho. I'm not hunting for that dragonfly today, no siree. It's too hot and I'm too tired. I'll just wait till he comes by.
Sailing, sailing, a sailor's life for me. I come from a seagoing family, that's why I'm going to sea. My father was a sea bean, he told me many a tale. My uncle was a silverfish, my grandpa a big sea snail. With a yo-ho-ho and a ya-ha-ha and a yodel-yum-yay. Sailing, sailing, a sailor's life for me. I come from a seagoing family, that's why I'm... Hey, who's grabbing my small body? You better watch out who's you grabbing. I'm a fire-breathing dragonfly.
That sounds like a lot of applesauce to me. Tastes like a lot of applesauce, too. You know, I'm gonna get you for that. You're not getting away from me. They don't call me Crazy Legs Crane for nothing, you know. Come back here, you little incendiary bum. Oh, the little rascal thinks I can't get him. No, I'll get him all right, just as soon as I get out of here. And confidentially, I'll be out of here in two snaps of a shark's teeth.
There, mate. It's a sea for me. I always so happy when I goes to sea. For my father and my mother and my sisters and my brothers are all very happy when I goes to sea. With the yo-ho-ho, it's a sea for me. A yo-ho-ho, it's a life for me. Oh, it's very, 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 very happy. Yes, I'm really very... Oh, you big, dumb, bad bird.
I'm sending you a bill for them tail feathers, you know. Hoist it, hoist it, hoist it, hoist it, hoist it, hoist it!
You want him hoisted? I hoist him.
Lower it, lower it, lower it! Hoist it, hoist it!
Oh, phooey. He can't make up his mind already.
And if you want your teeth back, you'll have to say, please. Please, please, please. Well, all right.
Gee, thanks. Thanks a lot.
Just watch whom you try to bite next time.
Yes, sir. I will, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, blows the bugs down, sailors, blow the bugs down. Huff and puff and blow them down. blow him all over and into that clover. Blow, blow the dragonfly down. Tum, 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 tum. You ever have the feelings that you're being followed? Oh, blow the bugs down, sailors, blow the bugs down. Huff and puff and blow him down. Blow him all over and into that clover. That barrel ain't where it used to be. Tum, 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 tum. You know, I think that dumb bird is hiding in that barrel.
Oh, no, I'm not.